Saturday, March 21 is today, 2026. Good afternoon, everyone. I engage so many people offline as well as I do engage people online as well. So I don't just talk to people online, make videos and so on and so forth. No, I still engage people offline. And there is something that is confusing about the mentality of so many of us in Nigeria. And that is this. I don't know how a grown-up man or a grown-up woman or an aged person, someone who is above 50 years, will sit down, begin to think, fully knowing well that this administration you call your government, the APC administration, especially the Tinubu's administration, after removing fuel subsidy, they have made about 10 billion pounds. But Tinubu will go so low to go and borrow like 500 million after making 10 billion pounds. And when you look at roads, you look at light, you look at everything in Nigeria, they have not actually done anything. Like, they are not doing anything. And amidst all these things, the allegation that they put the whole terrorists on payroll is there. Someone like Shegumi will still come to tell you that Tinubu and his administration knows the name and the location of these terrorists. Former chief of army staffs, major generals will still come to tell you that there is a reason why Tinubu don't want to fight this insecurity. There is a reason why he don't want to release the names of people who are sponsoring terrorism. Then after knowing all these things, you still sit down to say that you are still going to support the people who are killing you. I really want to know the problem. Like, what is your problem? If you are part of the people, this is not to talk bad about you or to talk bad about somebody, but this is, let us reason together. Like, let's reason together. Is it a charm? Like, were you hypnotized? Or is it a psycho conditioning that you have come to adapt to this evil that is going on? Or what is wrong? Please, I want people to, share their own feelings and their own belief about all these things. You fully knowing well that this government, people in the government, people in different positions are sponsoring terrorism. And I am not saying that this is just only APC, because so many people now who went to ADC are part of the people who are sponsoring terrorism. Some people who are in PDP are part of this. So I am not even trying to make this thing a party issue. I'm not making it a party issue does not mean that we all have forgotten how APC imported these terrorists. The people who also imported terrorists did all sort of things. The question I'm asking you is this. What do you find so pleasant supporting the people who are killing you? In every state in Nigeria, in every state, there is no place that this terrorism that APC government are sponsoring have not visited. I am not saying this like an edge. I'm not alleging everything. We have proof of everything I'm talking about. They knows. You understand? These people, they know what they are doing. This is not all about, it's not allegation. By the way, they have admitted that they imported terrorists to Nigeria. So what do you people find so pleasant about Tinubu and his administration that I am seeing people even have minds to give me a call? Okocha, how far? May we work for APC. Like, work for what? Am I going to wait in the farm? Like, work? I don't get it. No, sometimes it baffles me because I am trying to, maybe I am the one that is wrong. No, someone should let me know. It seems that I'm the one that is wrong, that I think differently. Maybe my faculty, the way I reason is totally wrong. I'm not supposed to think that way. Like, we are trying to normalize and legalize terrorism by supporting Tinubu and his cohorts, both those people in ADC, wherever they are. You people are legalizing terrorism, and I am warning you, don't cry. Don't cry when the evil days come, because anything you sow, you will reap it. Now, they might have promised you local government chairman, your brother is a senator, your brother is a House of Rep member, your brother is a governor, you have a shop dog, and the money is coming out. You need this money to build your houses, to buy your cars. Are you thinking about the future, or you are just greedy because you really need this money? This money you also know is coming illegally. Like, what is our problem? You see, I told people from 2 years ago, I started telling people that this terrorism in Nigeria can only increase because the government are supporting it and the people are also supporting it. And you yourself listening to me will not know or understand the way you are supporting this terrorism. By supporting people who are paying these terrorists, you are already supporting these terrorists. Now, the reason why I'm also thinking like this, I've said this time without number, so this is not the first time I'm saying this. Where a sitting governor will come out and just say, oh, senators, we have approved, we conducted a judicial panel of inquiry. We now indicted senators who are sponsoring the bandits, the terrorists who are killing Benue people. This was what Governor Andeya said on Channels Television, on AIT, on that is TVC. Yeah. He went to 3 national televisions to have the videos. He said the senators are the one killing Benue people. But they swept it under the carpet. They must have bribed him, suppressed him, or challenged him not to bring it out. He didn't bring it out. Dauda Ndawa came, Dauda Ndawa spoke, a lot of people. We all know the truth. That is what I'm trying to establish. We know the truth. Kunde Ondawumi came, he told you everything, his experience. Kunde Ondawumi, who was former naval commander, one time, member of the intelligence agency in Nigeria, and at the time he led so many operations with the intelligence agency. He came to tell us that, listen, people in government are sponsoring this terrorism because they want to Islamize Nigeria. This is someone who served Nigeria almost 40 years said. Now, apart from this, so many former military chiefs, including General Rabo, both the people who are innocent and people who are not innocent, they are now speaking one thing. The government are sponsoring this terrorism. Then my problem is, why do we find it so comfortable in aiding people who are supporting terror? Or is terrorism no longer a crime? Is it no longer a punishable offense? Why do you people want to legalize this terrorism? Now, the reason why I'm raising this alarm is because this is a global issue. In Denmark, in London, in US, all these countries, apart from Muslim countries like Saudi Arabia, all those countries that are peaceful, all these Western countries, including Nigeria, there is a global push to establish a Sharia in these days. But they are not doing this thing in Saudi Arabia. They are not doing it in all these, let me say, a normal Muslim country, because they will not allow them to do it. They will kill them. You try what you are doing in Nigeria, in Saudi Arabia, they will kill you. What you do in London, USA, you do it in Saudi Arabia or United Arab Emirates, they will kill you. They will not tolerate it. But people come here to do it in the name of Islam. Something is wrong somewhere. Something is absolutely wrong. So, this is the reason why I personally discovered why people are not calling terrorism the way it should be called. This is the reason why Tinubu's administration, from Buhari to Tinubu now, they have been sponsoring, aiding this terrorism. And the proof is all over there. So, I ask again, why do you find it so interesting in supporting the administration, the regime that is killing you? Why? I just want to know. What is your motivation in following APC? I just want to know. What is your motivation of following all these politicians in Nigeria? You know fully well that these people are your problem. You are recruiting yourself to be part of the problem. And tomorrow you will start crying. Something is wrong somewhere. I need answers. I need answers.
It's not about ransom. They just want to pass a message. We can come in. We can do what we need to do. And there are some hardliners in this government that are sponsoring this kind of narratives. They just want to show that they can Islamize this country. They think about Taliban. They think about the Mujahideens. And they want to replicate it in this country. And they don't care what happened. They simply don't care. As long as at the end of the day, there's Sharia and there is whatever thing they have in their head they want to achieve. So these people that are sending messages are sponsored by Nigerians. You remember this Boko Haram issue started since 2012. Yeah. And I was in the military intelligence that time. We arrested those people. It is my organization that actually conducts interrogation and interview. They mention names. I can't come on air and start mentioning names of people that are presently in government now that I know. Presently in government. That the boys that we arrested mentioned. Some of them are governors now. Some of them are in the Senate. Some of them are in Asu Rock. The intention is to Islamize Nigeria and practice Sharia. And it doesn't matter if some people die. It doesn't matter if you're embarrassed. It doesn't matter if our economy has degenerated. Look at the interest rate. Look at the inflation rate. Look at the debt profile of Nigeria. They don't care. As long as at the end, Quran is at the sea. So some people in this country have this mindset. And we must tell the truth. If you tell the truth, you die. If you don't tell it, you die. Some people have this mindset to Islamize the nation. And they are in the government. And people know them. The DSS know them. The NIA know them. The DIA knows them. You can't succeed without an inside person. And this attack you saw has insiders collaboration.